The impact of artificial intelligence on business administration. The future of management. Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming business administration in ways few could have predicted. From its early, simple applications to today's advanced technologies, AI has been a powerful catalyst for changes in business models, operational processes, and even customer interactions. In the future, AI will not be just an additional tool. It will become a core component of any company's strategy. The first major change driven by AI is the automation of operational processes. Automation is not new, but AI takes it to a new level. Processes that previously required large teams to manage repetitive, time-consuming tasks can now be performed by AI algorithms more efficiently and accurately. This does not mean that people will be replaced, but rather that employees can focus on higher-value tasks. AI frees employees from manual processes, allowing them to engage more in strategic, creative, and decision-making activities, adding even more value to the business. Another significant impact of AI is large-scale personalization. For consumer-facing businesses, AI offers a new way to deeply understand customer needs and preferences. By analyzing large volumes of data, AI algorithms can predict future behaviors, suggest products, and even anticipate customer needs. This creates a more personalized and enhanced experience, which leads to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. Companies that embrace these technologies stand out in the competitive marketplace by delivering exactly what customers want at the right time. AI also has a significant impact on strategic decision-making. In the past, business decisions were made based on historical data and superficial analysis. Today, AI can analyze data in real time and generate predictive insights with a much higher degree of accuracy. This means companies can make faster, more informed decisions. From resource allocation to forecasting market trends, AI provides a clearer, more detailed view of the business environment. This allows managers to make better decisions and maximize growth opportunities. Talent management is also being transformed by AI. Today, many companies are using AI tools to recruit, train, and manage teams more efficiently. AI can help analyze large volumes of applications and identify the best talent, avoiding human bias in the selection process. Additionally, AI-powered training platforms can personalize learning to the individual needs of each employee, ensuring that each employee has the training they need to excel in the workplace. However, AI's impact goes beyond operational efficiency and customer service. It is also transforming corporate governance. With the help of AI, companies can now monitor and analyze their performance in real time, making it easier to adapt to market changes and implement corrections quickly. AI can identify areas of risk, areas for improvement, and even predict failures before they occur, enabling companies to become more agile and resilient in the face of unexpected challenges. As companies adapt to this new reality, integrating AI into business strategies is also creating new business opportunities. Startups and companies that are already ahead of the curve in this digitalization process are exploring new business models that would not have been possible before. AI is enabling the creation of innovative solutions in sectors such as healthcare, education, transportation, financial services, and more. These innovations are not only shaping the future of business, but are also creating entire new industries. As data processing capabilities increase and AI algorithms continue to improve, companies will gain even more detailed insight into consumer behavior and market performance. This will open the door to new business models and more sophisticated strategies. Using AI in conjunction with other emerging technologies, such as the Internet of Things, IoT, and blockchain, will provide companies with even more robust, effective, and secure solutions. The introduction of AI also brings a new form of risk management. It allows companies to analyze multiple scenarios and identify potential threats before they materialize. From financial market fluctuations to internal operational issues, AI helps predict and minimize the impact of potential risks, creating proactive rather than reactive management. Ultimately, AI-driven digital transformation represents a unique opportunity for companies of all sizes. Whether you're running a small startup or a global corporation, AI offers tools that can be applied in a scalable and affordable way, allowing businesses of all sizes to benefit from its implementation. Those that adopt these technologies now will be more prepared for the future and better positioned to thrive in a dynamic and competitive global marketplace. The future of management is being shaped by AI, and companies that embrace this change will have a significant strategic advantage. It's not just about reducing costs or increasing efficiency, but about creating new business models, constantly innovating and adapting quickly to a market that is constantly evolving. AI is not just a passing trend. It is the foundation of a new paradigm of business management. The real opportunity lies in learning how to apply these technologies in an intelligent, strategic, and sustainable way, building a more agile, intelligent, and prosperous business future. Companies that incorporate artificial intelligence at the core of their operations and long-term strategies will be the leaders of the future. What are you waiting for to take advantage of this revolution? How to use artificial intelligence to your advantage in the business world. Step by step. Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing the business world, creating new opportunities to optimize processes, improve customer experience, and increase profitability. In this video, we will explain a detailed, step-by-step guide to help you use AI to your advantage and take the next big step in your business. Let's go! Step 1. Understanding what artificial intelligence is and how it can be applied. First of all, it is important to understand what artificial intelligence is. Simply put, AI is the ability of machines to learn and make decisions autonomously based on large volumes of data. It can be applied in several business areas, from process automation to predictive market analysis. AI allows you, as an entrepreneur, to make data-driven decisions, optimize your operations, and even create personalized experiences for your customers. But before implementing it, take some time to learn about the possibilities that AI offers for your industry. Study how other companies are already applying AI and what is working in the market. Step 2. Identifying where to apply AI in your business. AI has several practical applications in business. The secret is to identify the areas that most need optimization and can benefit from this technology. Let's look at some areas where AI can be useful. Customer service. Tools like chatbots and virtual assistants are powered by AI and can help automate customer service. This frees up your team to handle more complex issues, while the chatbot solves simple problems 24/7, data analysis and decision-making. AI can be used to collect and analyze large volumes of data, helping you understand consumer behavior, identify market trends, and make more informed decisions. Digital marketing. AI tools can help with audience segmentation, creating more personalized and optimized campaigns. In addition, AI can predict consumer purchasing behavior and suggest the best marketing strategies. Inventory and logistics management. AI can predict product demand based on consumption patterns, helping to avoid overstocking or understocking and improving logistics efficiency. Here, the trick is to be strategic. Start with an area that already presents challenges, or where you feel you could improve and invest in AI to transform this area into a strength of your business. Step 3. Choosing the ideal AI tools for your business. Now that you have identified where AI can be applied, it is time to choose the right tools. There are several platforms that offer specific AI solutions for different needs. Some popular options include IBM Watson for data analysis and process automation. It offers several tools that help improve the customer experience, optimize the supply chain, and perform market forecasts. Zendesk and Intercom. If you need chatbots and automation for customer service, these tools use AI to improve customer communication, resolve issues faster, and increase satisfaction. Google Analytics and HubSpot. These are great for data analysis and marketing. They offer powerful insights into user behavior, market trends, and how to optimize your campaigns. The key here is to choose tools that specifically meet your needs and are compatible with the platforms that already exist in your business. Step 4. Integrating AI into your business processes. With the tools you've chosen, the next step is to integrate them into your business processes. But be careful, integration should be gradual. Start with a specific area, such as customer service or data analysis, and as you become more familiar with the tool, expand the application of AI to other areas. Successful integration requires planning. Make sure your team is trained to deal with new technologies and is open to change. Resistance to new things can often be a barrier. So it is essential that everyone understands the benefits of AI and how it will make their work routines easier. Step 5. Monitoring results and adjusting strategies. One of the great advantages of AI is that it learns from data and continually improves over time. However, the process of constant monitoring is essential to adjust strategies and ensure that AI is working efficiently. Once you've implemented AI tools, keep a close eye on the results. Use metrics like reduced response times for customer service, improved conversion rates for marketing campaigns, and efficiency in inventory management. If you notice something isn't working as it should, adjust the AI settings or try other approaches. In addition, it's important to have a continuous learning cycle. Track how AI is performing in different areas of your business and refine the algorithms over time. The more data you collect, the more AI can improve. Step 6. Boosting profitability with AI. Artificial intelligence can transform the way you run your business and significantly increase profitability. But how does it do this? AI can streamline internal processes, reduce operational costs, and increase efficiency. For example, by automating repetitive tasks, you can free up your team to focus on more strategic activities, like innovation and new product development. In addition, AI can improve the customer experience by creating personalized offers and increasing loyalty. With predictive data analysis, you can anticipate consumer needs and offer products and services before they even know they need them. Step 7. Expanding your business with the help of AI. The final step is to think about expanding your business using AI. Once you have achieved good results in specific areas, you can apply AI solutions to other areas and even innovate with new products or services. AI can be your partner in exploring new market niches, creating new business models, and identifying new sources of revenue. In addition, AI can help you create strategic partnerships. For example, you can collaborate with companies that are already using AI and share data to further improve your operations, such as in the case of supply chain optimization or developing new features for your products. Integrating artificial intelligence into your business is not an overnight task, but the effort is worth it. It can transform the way you manage your company, offering a significant competitive advantage and new opportunities for growth. By following this step-by-step guide, you will be ready to explore the endless possibilities that AI offers and take a big step towards success in the business world. Now it's time to put this knowledge into practice and start taking advantage of the full power of artificial intelligence. If you liked this content and want to learn even more about how to transform your business with artificial intelligence, be sure to check out our next videos. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and stay up to date with all the news about finance, management, and innovation in the business world. See you in the next video.